Question 23, Instrumentation Engineering Gate 2021. Consider the function f of x is equal to minus x square plus 10x plus 100. The minimum value of the function in the interval 5 to 10 is dash. For a detailed lecture on the maxima and minima concepts, please refer to the NPTEL video Lecture 17 Maxima and Minima for Functions of Two Variables by Professor Jitendra Kumar, Department of Mathematics, IIT Kharagpur. Let's have a look at the basic concepts of maxima and minima before solving this problem. Let us consider these curves. Visually, through this graph, we can understand that this point is the most minimum point, because for this value, let's say x1, we have a value of y1. This is the most minimum point. Still, the curves slope up here and it slopes down over here. This is the maximum point. And this is the second minimum point, the most minimum being x1 comma y1. But in this curve, it starts from 0 and it slopes up again, and then it slopes down at the minimum of here. Let us call this point to be x1 and let us name this point to be y1. Here x1 comma y1 is the most minimum. We do observe that the curve is sloping up and the curve is sloping down. At these points, the slope, which is the f dash of x, is equal to 0. So we are going to check the value of the function at points where the slope is 0. At points where the slope is 0, it could be a maxima or it could be a minima, because there is a slope up or slope down at these points. The slope is increasing over here, and at this point it reaches 0 and then it decreases. Similarly, the slope is increasing over here and then the slope is decreasing over here. Let's make use of this maxima and minima concept to solve this problem. The function f of x is equal to minus x square plus 10x plus 100. We are asked to find out the minimum of this function in the closed interval 5 to 10. Let us first check the value of this function at endpoints, which is 5 and 10. f of 5 is equal to minus 25 plus 50 plus 100. This is equal to 125. f of 10 is equal to minus 100 plus 100 plus 100. This is equal to 100. The equation of slope of this function f dash of x is equal to minus 2x plus 10. When the slope is 0, it is said to be that the curve is parallel to x-axis. The curve is parallel to x-axis. So at this point, it could be a maxima or a minima. So first let us find out the points where the slope is 0. So 2x is equal to 10. Therefore, when x is equal to 5, the slope is 0. Or the curve is parallel to x-axis at x is equal to 5. But when x is equal to 5, the value of f of 5 is equal to 125, which is not a minimum value. Therefore, in the given interval of closed interval 5 to 10, the minimum value is 100. It occurs at f of 10 or when x is equal to 10. The answer to this question is 100. Thank you.